Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I wanted to show you what goodies I got off my Halloween wish list, guys. Yes, I'm starting to buy stuff already. Oh my gosh, I know we're still in August, guys, but who cares, you know? Let's shop till we drop. I'm just playing. Guys, oh my gosh, I love shopping, especially around this season time, you know. It's getting close to Halloween. If you saw that video where I got that Halloween A Nightmare Before Christmas a blinged out cup, guys, that it was a total failure. I also talked about what I wanted to buy this season, guys, and I'm gonna show you some of the goodies that I already got, some stuff that weren't on my list also. This is gonna be the first haul out of maybe 2 or more because oh my gosh, guys, the season is barely starting, the stuff is dropping, and you know I'm gonna go get it, guys. So keep on watching if you want to see all the goodies that I got so far. And don't forget to like and subscribe while you're at it, guys. So let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna begin with the stuff I got from the mall. I'm gonna tell you where I got everything from, okay? Just so you know, if you're interested, you can go get it. I'll try to link everything down below also, so you have the direct link to everything. So sometimes when I don't order a lot of things, I like to order and get it shipped to the store because shipping is expensive, guys. I don't like to pay for shipping. If I can get free shipping, it's all good. But if I have to pay for shipping, I'd rather just go pick it up at the mall. And while I'm there, I like to see what else is there, you know. So I went to the mall. I'm going to show you everything I got there. So to begin, I went to Hot Topic. Yes, guys. Oh my gosh. You know Hot Topic does not mess around with the Nightmare Before Christmas merch. We got so much stuff already. And one of the things that I got were, I haven't even opened it yet, guys. I got some pants. I got some pants last year, guys. And I was really debating to get these because last year I got the pants from Nightmare Before Christmas. The ones that had Lock, Shock, and Barrel and the Oogie Boogie on them. Guys, I got them in 3 different sizes and they did not fit me. Not because they didn't fit my fat ass, but because lengthwise, guys, I am 4'11" and a half. I have to add that half in there because I'm not 4'11", I'm 4'11" and a half, okay? And it's so hard for me to find pants sometimes, you know, because I'm so short. And that's why they didn't fit me. But I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go for it. Let's see if these fit me. I haven't tried them on yet. Like I said, I haven't even opened it yet. But I was like, let's give it a chance. They look like they're a little bit like higher, I guess you can say. But yes, guys, I got these. Let me see. Well, wait, can I show you guys so you guys can see the whole pants? So it comes with a little chain. Yeah, I'm probably going to take this off. But it has Lock, Shock, and Barrel on the bottom. You can tell they're kind of like, oh, they're not ripped. I thought they were ripped. I guess it's just like the little detail on it. Look. And Shock, Lock, and Barrel on one side. I'm showing them to you like this. Look. Okay. Get a view like this. You see, I'm too short. I can't show you guys. But okay, this is the other side. It has Barrel right there. You guys know why I love Shock, Lock, and Barrel. These are my kids, guys. But yes, I'm going to try these on. Hopefully they fit me. These were $59.99 at Hot Topic. I still think they have some. These are from Her Universe, so you could probably find them there too. But yes, guys, I have no clue if these are going to fit me. Let me see. I think it's going to be a no again because I just put them, like, you know how you put them to your waist like this and see if they're, like, how long they are? It's already past my feet. I think it's going to be a fail. Oh my gosh. I hate being so short. Okay, so that is what I got on Hot Topic, guys. They have so many things, but I'm trying to limit myself. There's still a lot of things that haven't came out, guys, that I really want. So I'm trying to be careful with what I buy, you know, so I have more for the other stuff that are going to come out. Because like I said, it's barely going to be September, you know. And then I also ordered some stuff from Boxlunch. I'm going to show you what I got. Look what I got. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this is. It's, guys, can you guess what this is? I'm going to open it so you guys can see. Look. It's a little Mickey pumpkin plush compact mirror, and it's soft, guys. Let me tell you. Look, it's a little 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 style mirror. I saw this and I was like, I had to get it. I ordered it online, guys. It came in. Look. It has a little like protective seal on it. Oh my gosh, guys. But as soon as I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. It's freaking a little, what do you call it? Like furry. A furry Mickey pumpkin, guys. How freaking cute is this? Oh my gosh, I love it. This was around like $14.90. Okay, how adorable is this? Oh my gosh. Yes, I got this at Boxlunch. Ordered it online. I know, guys, it's not a lot per store, guys. I told you I'm trying to be careful with what I buy. And then I went to FYE. If you know that store, it's like I don't know, it's like a bunch of different stuff in there. It's a lot of things. But I found this. It is a extra large desk pad, guys, but it's Nightmare Before Christmas, and I thought it would be awesome for my DIYs to put it as a mat in the background, especially for this season. How cool is this? I haven't opened it yet. It was $14.99. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna open it right now so we can see it with my nails. Okay. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but it's okay. Look, it's a Nightmare Before Christmas mat, guys. Look at the print. You guys see it? Get a little vibe of it. Yes, I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but it's fine. I can work with it. It's like, it says don't adjust your tracking, stereo, stop. So I got that, and then I also got this, guys. Look how adorable he is. He's a little Mickey. This is from the collection that came out from Baublebar. Look how cute he is. Oh my gosh. He is so adorable. And he has little blinged out feet. His little pumpkin is blinged out. Can you guys see it? How adorable is this? I just wish their little, ¿cómo se llaman? The little chain was stronger, because this is heavy, guys. Let me tell you, it's heavy. Yeah, I just wish they would like do better little chains, but oh my gosh, he's so adorable. I wanted all of them, guys, but they are pricey, so I was like, I'll just settle for this one. This is the first one that like grabs my eyes, you know, because I'm still waiting to see if they're gonna drop Nightmare Before Christmas stuff, you know. So it's like I don't want to like splurge over these when I still have other stuff I'm waiting for, you know. And they did drop other ones that were like a leathery type. I didn't like them. I was just like, pass on that. And then these came like that same week, guys, and I got this one. He is so adorable. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I love it. And I also got these little Loungefly backpacks, these little mini mystery boxes, guys. I got two because I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna get, you know. I was hoping to get Oogie Boogie, Sally, or Jack, and I ended up getting, I got Zero. He's cute. It's alright. It's okay. And then I got, I almost dropped it. I got the mayor, guys. I was like, I didn't get what I wanted. And they're like sold out everywhere almost. So I was like, I don't know if I want to risk getting more. Because what if I get like repeats, you know? And they're $20 each, guys. So it's not that cheap, you know? Maybe if they were like $10, you know? But yeah, I got these two. I thought these were super cute to have them as a little purse accessory. I did talk about this in my wish list. This was one of my items. And then I also got this little Zero pouch, guys, from Amazon. Oh my gosh, this was actually something I had been eyeing for a while, since last year, because I believe this was out last year. And 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 from 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽's Journey, guys, she actually made a post about it, and she was like, I know who would like this. And it was on sale for $10, guys. So I couldn't pass out on it, you know. And I was like, of course, you know, who would want this? Me, you know, like obviously. So I did get this, guys, for 10 bucks off Amazon. Super cool, right? It has a little like insert in here, the little zipper, and a little keychain to like hang it on a purse or your keys or whatever you want. Super, super cute, guys. Lightweight. Awesome. 10 bucks. And then, guys, I went to Disneyland this weekend. And if you follow Disney, you know that they dropped the Nightmare Before Christmas little headband plushies, guys. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm like rumbling through the bag. But the ones like these, I have been wanting to get some, but every time I would go, the line was huge or they were like out of stock, right? So I had seen that they were gonna drop the Nightmare Before Christmas ones. And I was like, I'm buying those. I'm buying them. And they dropped them Friday. And it was crazy, guys. I was like, there's not going to be any for me. I wanted to go that Friday, but my son got a little sick. So I was like, we can't go. And we went on Sunday. And I got them, guys. Oh, my gosh. Look, guys. Oh, my God. Look at Jack. He is so cute. And Zero, they only had these three. And let me tell you guys, they were going fast, okay? Look at Zero. Oh, he's so cute. And Sally. Super, super cute, guys. I got one of each because these are like $12 each, okay? So I got one of each. You put them on. It has like a little Velcro thing right here. And you just wrap it around the headband. And put it back. And they stay like that. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh. Super, super cute, guys. I love it. Oh my gosh. So cute. But yes, guys, that is all I got so far right now. Like I said, I'm probably going to have another haul pretty soon. I'm just waiting for stuff to drop. But yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Halloween merch haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go check out my other videos because I do DIYs. I talk about my handbags and I love to go shopping, guys. So I just do a little bit of everything, guys. Go check it out, please. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, guys. Thank you for being with me for a bit and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.